Hello there. Welcome back to Marketing Management Info. We are still working on the question paper of November 2024. So in this video, we are going to look at question 7, that is the last question on this question paper. So on the first question, 7.1.1, it reads, name 3 examples of ideas that can be marketed. So obviously, we are supposed to come up with marketed ideas. So these are unique ideas, obviously, unique ideas that we have to come up with. So we have those attractive and unique ideas I mentioned in the other section, whereby we have an idea of don't drink and drive is something that is very persuasive. And then we look at the second one is saying stay home and be safe. So it's also up and self-sanitize. So you see that these ideas that we are coming up with, they are ideas that are ideas of anything that might happen that is disastrous to someone's health or someone's well-being. So basically, these are the ideas that we have according to the first question that we have, that is ideas that can be marketed. So basically, that's what we have. We have 7.2, which is a name one method of gathering primary data. And we know that primary data, it refers to information that is collected first-hand by the researcher for a specific research purpose. So basically, when we have information are collected first-hand, that is primary data. So in other ways, the data is not going to change hands or change parties, but the person or the party that has collected the data will regard that as a primary data. So according to our question now, it just need one method of gathering primary data. So you see that we have observation. You can use observation when you are collecting primary data. You can also use experiments and focus groups. So basically, these are the methods that we have according to our question, which is our question 7.2. So our question only requires one. So we are just supposed to mention one method of gathering primary data. So going to 7.3, it is the role of a family member plays the role of a family member plays in purchasing of a new product depends on the type of product and the specific family. Discuss 4 roles that family members play when purchasing a new product. So we're going to see that when they're purchasing a new product, obviously as a family, we are going to have different roles whereby we are going to identify the need of that product in the house, and someone who's going to be handling that, and then someone obviously who is going to research about that product outside, getting information on maybe prices, etc., and the person who is actually going to buy that product. So these are just different roles that are going to be attached to different members of the family. So if you try to go to another section, you see that we have them mentioned, whereby the first one we've got the initiator, the family member who recognizes the need. Is also what we have. Then we also have the influencer, which is the family member who gives the specifications about the product. And then we have got a decision maker, that is the family. And then we got the purchaser, the family member that goes out and actually purchases the product. And then finally, we go to the product. So basically, these are the different roles that we are having, starting from the initiator, going to influencer, and then go to the decision maker, and then I've got the purchaser, and finally, we've got the user. So basically, that's what we have. Then moving on to the next question. 7.4, it reads, name 3 benefits of differentiated market segmentation. So basically, differentiated market segmentation is we are going to have different segments or separate segments for maybe different products, for maybe differentiated products. So that's the scenario that we are going to have for a differentiated market segmentation, as opposed to aggregated market segmentation, whereby we are only having one segment. So what are the benefits that we can derive from differentiated market segmentation? So if you're having different products, obviously, if we create a segments for the differentiated products, obviously we are going to increase the revenue. Revenue collection is going to be increased because we are directing the products to the right segment of the market. So in other words, the customers that are going to receive the product are the customers that actually want that specific product. So basically, at the end of the day, we are going to have an increase in terms of the revenue collection. So on the answer section, we have that's 7.4, whereby we are saying If you refer back to 7.4, it lists three benefits of differential market segmentation, whereby we are going to see that we have got a higher income, obviously, in terms of the revenue that we collect from each and every segment. As we said, we will maximize our revenue collection since we are directing our products to customers who actually want the product. So we've got a larger market share again, a large market share. We are going to be possessing a large market share as we are going to have different segments. So if we add the different portions of the market shares are relating to different market segments, at the end of the day, the total market share will be larger. So basically, that's what we have on the second point. Last point, offering the appropriate products to the right people, which is very correct. We are going to offer the appropriate products to the right people. So we are going to create a segment of customers that actually want that specific product. So basically, we are not going to mix customers, or those who like and those who don't like. So we segment them. So that's what we have, and becomes an advantage that we have. So going to 7.5, it reads consumers compare products with each other by looking at different variables, listing three variables that consumers use to compare with each other. So we're going to say price is the basic factor that is used for comparison sex between maybe between the products that we have. So we are going to see that what we have on the other section, we are using price again as the first one that is going to be used as the basis for comparison. So we also have quality, we have value, we have availability and design as the other variables that we can also use for comparison sets. So 7.6, I named the social trend that caused an increase in demand for the foreign products. So how can the increase in demand for washing machines be caused by? So that's the question. If you want an increase in the demand for washing machines, what can be the cause? So obviously, if we have more women that are going to work, obviously, they're not going to have time to do manual laundry. So obviously, they would need washing machines. So that's the scenario that we can have. 7.6.1, we see that we have the issue of working women and altered family styles. So if we have got family styles that have altered also, it can work in the favor of increasing the demand for washing machines. So basically, the second one, we'll see that there is a home fitness equipment. So obviously, health consciousness in terms of the importance or significance of keeping yourself in a fitness a health condition can be also the cause of an increase of demand of home fitness equipment. So basically, we're saying health consciousness can be the reason. So that's what we have on that part. We're saying increase in health consciousness. Then move to the next one, which is now saying natural products are the demand for natural products. What can be the cause for the increase demand for natural? So you would see that it can be the increase in environmental awareness also can lead to the increase in demand of natural products. So basically, increase in environmental awareness, and then also, or we can also engage increase in health consciousness. So that's what we have 7.6.3. So moving on to the last question, we've got sugar-free soft drinks. Obviously, it's health consciousness again. Only the damage of consuming sugar drinks. What are negative effects does consuming sugary drinks? What are the disadvantages of you if you consume that? That can be also the reason. So we are just saying health consciousness. Yes, we are being told that if you consume, you're going to suffer these consequences. So at the end of the day, you might suffer these consequences at the end of the day. So at the end of the day, you see now the demand for sugar-free soft drinks increasing. So that's what we have on 7.6.4, where we're saying increase in health consciousness. So basically, this becomes the last part of the question 7, according to the question paper of November 2024. Thank you for listening, and hopefully this video was helpful. And please, let's stay tuned. More typical examination questions will be uploaded on this channel. So let's stay tuned by subscribing and turning on the notification button so that we get notified of new uploads. That's for this video. I'm out.